Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate preparation strategy for GATE 2026, specifically for computer science students. We're talking about conquering algorithms, mastering data structures, and becoming a gate-crushing machine. Whether you're just starting out or need that extra push, stick around because I'm breaking down the ultimate GATE prep MKBHD style. Let's get started. Alright folks, first things first. We gotta scope out the battlefield. Think of the GATE syllabus as the blueprint to your success. Know your enemy. We're talking a deep dive into the core subjects. We're talking about understanding the weightage of each topic. Some topics are heavy hitters on the exam, so you know where to focus your energy. First up, data structures and algorithms. This is the bread and butter of computer science, and trust me, GATE knows it. You gotta be fluent in linked lists, trees, sorting algorithms, the works. Then you've got your databases, operating systems, computer organization, the bedrock of any tech wizard. But here's the MKBHD pro tip. Don't just skim the surface. Understand the concepts, not just memorize them. GATE throws curveballs and you need to be able to adapt. Now that you've got the syllabus locked in, it's time to build your battle plan. We're talking about a study schedule so dialed in, it'd make a Swiss watch jealous. But remember, this isn't about cramming, it's about consistency. Think about it like building a tech startup. You don't go from zero to unicorn overnight. Start with a realistic daily or weekly goal. Maybe it's mastering one topic a week or crushing a set of practice problems every day. And just like any good software, your study plan needs updates. Life throws curveballs, and your schedule should be flexible enough to adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment, find what works best for you, and iterate along the way. Remember, consistency is key, but so is balance. Don't burn yourself out. Make time for breaks, hobbies, and recharging. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. We're talking about the ultimate training montage practicing with GATE, previous year's question papers. This is where you go from coding Padawan to Jedi Master. Think of these past papers as your training grounds. You get to experience the exam format, understand the question patterns, and build that crucial time management muscle. But here's the MKBHD secret sauce. Don't just solve the problem, dissect it. Figure out the logic, the approach, and the shortcuts. Analyze your strengths and weaknesses. Are you acing algorithms but fumbling on databases? Identify those pain points and double down on your efforts. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you solve, the better you become at handling the pressure, managing your time, and acing that exam. Now, some of you might be thinking, MKBHD, can I go solo on this GATE journey? And the answer is yeah, you definitely can. But here's the thing, sometimes you need that extra firepower. That's where coaching institutes or online courses come in. Think of them like your tech mentors, guiding you through the rough patches and providing that structured support system. They've been in the game, they know the exam inside and out, and they can provide those valuable insights and shortcuts. But here's the catch, not all coaching centers are created equal. Do your research, check out their track record, read reviews, maybe even talk to past students. And remember, a coaching institute is a supplement, not a replacement for your own hard work and dedication. Alright, we're in the end game now, folks. The GATE exam is on the horizon, and it's time to sharpen those skills and tie up any loose ends. We're talking about the power of revision and self-assessment. Remember all those concepts you mastered, those problems you crushed? Time to revisit them, reinforce your understanding, and make sure they're etched in your memory. Think of it like polishing your tech setup. You're cleaning up the code, optimizing performance, and making sure everything runs smoothly. Create concise notes, use flashcards, or even record yourself explaining concepts, whatever helps you retain information. And don't underestimate the power of mock tests. They're like your final simulations before the big game. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.